In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS blurry recordings by adjusting bitrate and encoding speeds. First, let's dive right in and open your OBS Studio. Once it's up and running, you'll want to head straight to the Settings button located in the lower right corner of the interface. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's shift our focus to the Video tab. Here you need to set your base, also known as canvas resolution, to match your screen's resolution. Simply find out what your screen resolution is and input those numbers. You should also set the output or scaled resolution to the same value. This essentially ensures that no scaling occurs, maintaining maximum video clarity. However, if you really need to scale it down, make sure to choose Lanços in the downscale filter options. This provides the best quality when scaling down. While we're still under the Video tab, it's important to set the common FPS values. You can choose between 30 or 60 frames per second based on your personal preference and hardware capability. A higher frame rate like 60 can deliver smoother video, but it might require more from your hardware, so choose wisely. Now let's move on to the Output tab. This section is crucial for refining the quality of your recordings. To begin, set the output mode to Advanced. This gives you more control over the recording settings, allowing you to tweak to perfection. Within the Recording tab, you have some important choices to make regarding your encoder. If your CPU is powerful enough, X264 is a solid choice. However, if you have a compatible NVIDIA GPU, you might prefer using NVENC New for potentially better performance. As for rate control, you have the option of CQP, which stands for constant quality, or CBR, which stands for constant bit rate, especially suitable for streaming. A CQP setting can be adjusted between 15 and 23, with a lower number providing higher quality. If you opt for CBR, tailor your bitrate according to your resolution, typically between 6,000 to 8,000 kbps for 1080p. Still in the recording settings, focus on the encoder preset. For those using X264, choosing slow or very slow provides higher quality, but demands more from your CPU. If you're using NVENC, select the quality preset if it's available. To safeguard your recordings, set the recording format to MKV. This step is vital as it prevents file corruption if OBS were to crash. Now it's time to do a short test recording. This lets you check whether the video is clear and free of blurriness. Monitor your CPU and GPU usage in the task manager to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you encounter blurriness, try increasing your bitrate or using a slower encoding preset. Conversely, if high CPU or GPU usage causes lag, consider lowering your resolution or FPS for better performance. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.